So I got into a really bad accident in the Honda. It's about a month ago now. Things are better and moved on, and we've dealt with all the insurance stuff. But this is Henthorne's Performance, and this is car one down. We're gonna go through some Honda memories and go over the last video I made of me working on it, and it'll be the end of it. And you've already seen its replacement. By the time this video comes out, you'll be seeing the Bronco. Things will grow and forever change. But yeah, it was a bad accident. Spun out during a storm and made contact with a semi. That's the Honda. Goodbye. Takata intake, engine cover and side covers, aftermarket grille, aftermarket headlights and taillights, 27.1 intercooler. Throw some more boost at her, she'll be one badass EXT. Also lowered on eyebox springs with rotas. Civic. Yeah, we're kicker people. Ultra Racing crossbars. EXT with SI seats. 27.1 shift knob. Alright. We're in Wifey's Civic today. We're gonna rewire up her subs. She had an inverter failure. But we'll talk about the Civic a little bit. 2018 EXT, 6-speed. Wifey's car. We swapped SI seats in here. Heated seats work and all that bullshit. It's got we're at 71,000 miles on this thing. We haven't had any real issues with it. Has an AC problem, but that's about it. We're gonna go, I'll pop the hood, show you some of the mods under there. Give you some pictures of the stance, do some shitty ass bead roll because it is a daily driver and it's in the winter, so it's dirtier than hell. But this is Henthorne's Performance. This is our Civic. It's our kid toter. You know, car seats and stuff hanging out in the back. We'll go over the car and then show you what we got going on in the trunk for some badumpadumps. So we got a little engine cover, fucking Takata intake, Megan Racing strut bar, 27.1 intercooler and intercooler piping. Aftermarket grill, Rota wheels on K-Sport coilovers, fucking roof spoiler, aftermarket side skirts. It's a pretty good looking whip, you know. Dirtier and shit right now because it's the middle of the winter, but it's a nice day out. We're gonna make these subs work. So this trunk setup is kind of part of like the car show life, you know. Strut bars, little kicker, fucking built floor pan, it says Civic on it, you know, a little snazzy. We got some brace bars back here. There's also videos about these things being weak. Pardon my wiring. Most things I do are done quickly between parenting, but yeah, you know, little brackets down there holding the sub in place. Nice little kicker amp. So basically what happened is the aftermarket trunk spoiler leaked, and so this guy here got flooded. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna rewire this dude, try to make it look all pretty. I'm sure we just blew a fuse. That had to have happened. And we're gonna rewire all this get it all taken care of, try to make it look better, and go from there. So we got bump. Bump's back. We're gonna wire in a kill switch over there. Get some stuff for it. Check all the kill and get some parts.